everybody. My name is Mark Fisher. I'm an applications engineer with Printerstat, and you are watching Uncle Fish's CAD tricks and tips. Today's topic is how to manage your screen. There's a lot of stuff on it, and there's a lot of stuff that will be on it as you learn your way through AutoCAD. One of the ways that we're going to do that is show you how to control some of those elements. I'm going to flip over to this other drawing here, and what you'll see are these four topics that we're going to cover. The first is called the UCS icon. That is this little icon that you see down here to the left. Right now, if I pan around or zoom around, you'll see that that icon kind of sticks to the same location where the text is. That's because right now, this little intersection is at 0, 0, 0. I'm in the civil world most often, and I don't like that UCS icon to tell me where 0, 0 is. So if I type it here on the command line, and I come down here and I say, no origin, I can still see it on my screen, which lets me know that I can see my X coordinate, Y coordinate, and I'm looking in plan view, but now I don't have to worry about that little guy coming with me all the time. Secondly is the view cube. That is this little dude that's up here. I made this very intentionally large so that you can see how to change this. There's a chevron over here that you click on, come down here to view cube settings. A little big for my taste at the moment, so I'm going to set it to small, and then I'm going to set it to the bottom right corner of my screen. Not going to worry about the rest of them at the moment. Just click OK so you can see the difference. Third is the ribbon. The ribbon has a couple different triangles here to pay attention to. If you happen to lose the ribbon, this is one way to get it back, but the small triangle lets you cycle through from tabs, which is what you see here, panel tiles, which is what you see here in this version, panel buttons, which is what you see in this version, and last but not least, if you were to actually click on that large chevron, you'll get back to the full-blown ribbon. All right, if you're like me and sometimes you lose stuff because you feel like a nut, sounds like a commercial somewhere in there, I'll show you how to get your menu back. Right now on my screen, you can see that I have File, Edit, View, Insert, etc., on my menu. Sometimes that does not come in where I'm expecting it to, or doesn't come in at all. The way to get that little guy back is this chevron up here has a menu option. In this case, I'm going to hide the menu bar so you can see what happens. And I know that somewhere along the line, I want to go back up here and do a file save as, but I don't know what button these are. So I'm going to turn my menu back on so that now I can get to it really quickly and easily. This also gets me access to all of the other standard buttons. You can do everything inside of these menus that you can do on the ribbon, and you can do everything in the ribbon that you can get to on these menus. There's no right or wrongs in the world of AutoCAD. It's a matter of what works best for you. So, thanks for watching. I'm Uncle Fish, and we'll see you next time.